Now, we're going to hear a little bit more about the partnership Siemens has with a company called Burckhardt. Now, Burckhardt offers fully integrated electro-pneumatic valves. Okay, electro-pneumatic valves. Remember that? And I'm joined now by Tobias Zipf, who is a product manager for pneumatics at Burckhardt. Hi, Tobias. And Ulf Martin Kappler, who is product owner for DCS hardware at Siemens. Before we start, DCS hardware, that abbreviation, what does that stand for?
For decentralized control system hardware, so that means it's part of the ecosystem that we offer with PCS7, with PCS Neo, which consists of the software parts, the hardware parts, and compiles this in the ecosystem.
Important to clarify that abbreviation from the get-go. Now, as you can see behind me here, there is something in here that says Burckhardt on it. This component here. So, Tobias, it's not a Siemens component, it says Burckhardt. What is this all about?
Yes, it is a valve island, pneumatics valve island, which can control open and close actuators, process valves and other actuators. Burckhardt is the specialist for fluid control systems. And yes, here we have the cooperation with Siemens. So it's the best way to automate and bring this together.
The best way, you heard it here first. Do you want to tell us more about the partnership? How long has it been going on? What are you doing? What's planned for the future, maybe?
Yeah, we started already more than 20 years with this partnership, with this cooperation. Both partners are specialists in their technology, and the idea is to bring electronic and pneumatics closer together. And the result is the best system for customers' application.
Why do we need this pneumatic control system in process industries in general?
Yes, it controls pneumatics applications, and we can control different applications in different industries, such as pharma and biotech, food and beverage, or others. And the advantage, the benefit for the customer is a fast installation, a high process reliability, and a high process availability.
I'll stay on this side now, then it's easier for Chris to capture the board. Thank you, Tobias. So, Ulf, why do you think does it make sense now to integrate this Burckhardt technology into our existing Siemens systems?
So, our automation systems offer a wide range of great I/O technologies so far. By integration of the Burckhardt islands, we extend these technologies with the pneumatical possibilities, and therefore open up new applications on customer side. And by the perfectly fitting design to our integration systems, we can realize compact solutions, and this at the end realizes in a triple win for us by Burckhardt, for us, and also for the customers.
Now, automation systems, of course, exist throughout the process industry. They're everywhere. Why do we actually need them? Maybe you could explain that to our viewers. And what are some of the core functions that are inside?
So our automation systems, ET200 SPHA and ET200 ISP, are made for the process industry. They offer highest availability by functionalities like R1 redundancy. They offer high robustness with having extended temperature ranges, and also soldering and robustness features that really make them ready for these environments. And as a last important thing, they are really natively integrated in our ecosystems, PCS7, PCS Neo, and that's the perfect match for the combination of hardware and software.
And what's the point in general of integrating such a system into the control system? Might sound a bit complicated for the viewers. I'm sure you can make it easier for us.
Yeah, the point is that we offer with our DCS systems a long time availability, and also the capability of maintenance. And if you integrate hardware into these ecosystems, they benefit from these. So the Burkhardt valves and our automation systems are both maintained over years and years with updates, with patches, with everything. They are further developed, they can be ordered over decades, and this in combination is a really benefit for a customer and secures their investments. So that's the most important thing.
Okay, I have a question for Tobias in a second, but maybe one more to you, Ulf. I've been asking this to the colleagues around the booth as well already. So when people come here, people who are interested in finding out more, what's the first question they ask you, or what are they most interested in to learn?
So really they are coming with idea from their use cases, with questions that are coming up from their applications, and they are really searching for what kind of portfolio element at Siemens can solve this question or this requirement. And that's quite interesting because I would say there is anything on the booth we have here which can help them. And this is also a good example of what a great and wide portfolio we have here.
Final question, I'll switch around again to the other side, make it easier for Tobias. Tobias, now I think this board here is not only in this booth, right? You have it somewhere else as well.
Yes, right. We are in Hall 8. Please visit us at booth J80. Yes, and there we show more about our partnership, also with other modules, other devices. So it's very interesting. Please visit us there.